Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dance's Dope, and today we're doing a dolphin dive tutorial. Now, the dolphin dive is a house dance move that is one of the bigger, more explosive moves. There's loads of different variations you can do this one, which I will bring you tutorials for, but this is my first one for the basic dolphin dive, yeah? So let's get straight into this one. What we'll do is we'll start it from down first, and then I'll teach you how to get a jump in it, and eventually we'll go to crazier versions, yeah? So if you haven't seen the dolphin dive, a full dolphin dive looks like this. Yeah, so there's your dolphin dive, let's do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to crouch down first, you're going to bring your hands down in front, now you're going to bring any leg up at the back, it's fine, but right leg up at the back. Now what you're going to do with this leg, you're basically doing half a push-up, so you're lowering yourself down to the floor, because your leg is going to go side to side. So you're going to lower yourself down, your leg comes side to side, now you drop onto your leg, the one that isn't kicked up, you're going to kick your other leg out to the side. Yeah, so I'll change the angle for you. So you'll crouch it down, hands down in front, one leg up. You're going to lower yourself down as that leg is coming side to side. Then you want to kick it out. Good. One more from a different angle. So here, you're going to crouch it down, hands down, leg up, lower yourself down as that leg comes side to side, and kick it out. You kind of want to come chest first as well and kind of nice and flow it down like, yeah? So that's your basic dolphin dive. So all you're doing is there, leg up, lower it down, kick it out. Now you can get up in any way, you can spin out of it, floor rock up, just jump it in, out, then you're back into your house, get up absolutely anywhere, yeah? Now how you make a dolphin dive bigger is you want to get a jump into it. So what we're going to do is we're still going to crouch down, but you're going to hop out. So you're going to crouch, and you're going to jump. So you're basically kind of like a small handstand. Here is what you'll hit. Yeah, so that's where you want to be. You want to bring that same leg up first, higher. Your other leg just comes up a little bit. So you're going to crouch, hands down, kick your legs up. You're going to bring one foot down, again side, side, and kick it out. Yeah, so again, different angle. So you're going to drop it down, do a little hop out, bring them legs up, other leg down, swing, swing, and kick it out. One more different angle. So here, drop it down. Little hop, hands down, swing that leg up, and kick. Yeah? Now what you've got to work on with that dolphin dive is getting a nice flow in that move. So if you were to go a little bit quicker, you drop, kick it out, down, and kick. And from there, as I said, you can just hop it up, in, and back out into anything else. Yeah? So one more time, right from the floor, then we'll try a bigger one. So from the floor, you drop, hands down, leg up, bring it side, side, kick it out, yeah? Different angle. So you drop, hands down, leg up, side, side, and kick it out. Now if we go the bigger version, we'll go that 2 angles, so we're hopping into it. So we drop 5, 6, 7, 8, drop, jump, and kick it out. Nice, just make sure you lower yourself down nice and controlled. One more. So 5, 6, 7, 8, drop, jump, kick it down, kick it out. Nice, there we go. Okay, so today was a nice quick one. Just wanted to bring you guys a dolphin dive because I'm going to put that in a house dance routine pretty soon, so that way you've got that move. I am going to bring you some more variations of house dance moves, some more flow work for house dance, because I like house flow work. It flows, it's got a nice tempo to it. But if you guys did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification button so you can keep up to date with the uploads. If there's anything that I'm not doing that you guys do want to see, leave a comment down below. I'll get straight onto that. I will reply to you guys. And apart from that, check out the links in the description. I've got a playlist for house dance moves, house dance routines, all sorts of good stuff, yeah? So, appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.